Hello guys, once again, we are here now to going vlog the BMW G30 520i. You can see it's a full of dust, so they are now ongoing for pre-delivery inspection check. They are now deleting all the transport mode, so you can see the vehicle in my front. We open engine hood, so this is G30 B48 engine. This is the B48 engine, twin turbo, power turbo engine. This vehicle, it was coming from the stockyard from the M.Y. Nagy BMW. So we're going around to check the body of the vehicle. You can see the mags and also the headlights. The headlights dirty because they didn't clean it. It's dirty. But anyway, they will clean after this. They finish the pre-delivery inspection check. We are going to open the trunk lid, check the compartment. They have a floor mat, they have the hook, they have a safety kit, they have service booklet. Now we are going to check inside. This is the rear passenger seat. Did you see the leather? The leather inside. You see the good, nice and leather seat cover. The seat is still very new. This vehicle will be delivered to the customers when they finish this polishing and then deliver. You see the front passenger and the driver side. See, still they have a seat cover, very new. Going to ignition on. See the steering wheel, multi-function switch. So we're going to ignition on. You can see the steering wheel, they have a lot of buttons here. Let's call this one a multi-function switch. You can see the set cancel, the buttons here, the phone, the radio adjustment, and then open checking the system of this CID, Central Information Display. Still the navigation is still not upload. You see all the connected drive, the my vehicles, the notifications. If they have problem in the vehicle, they will give you notification. And then if you have problem in the tire, they will put warning there, and they will put signal in the cluster, and then in the CID. My vehicles, there are a lot of options. Vehicle settings, driving settings, content main menu, driving profiles, technology, driving information, owner handbook. So now guys, we use all the item inside in the vehicle. You see the gear selector, the iDrive, and the gear selector and the parking switch. Very nice. See, smooth. Now we are going up. One from here, and then one for the radio buttons. Done. Guys, thank you for watching my video. I hope you like. Click the like and subscribe. If you need question, make a comment and then I will reply. Thank you guys and bye bye.